Hi Primary 6, today we're looking at understanding and applying the terms range, mode, median and mean. Range, the difference between the largest and the smallest values or lengths. Mode, the most common value or length. Median, the value length in the middle of the order. Mean, the total of all the values or lengths divided by the number of values lengths. The example we're using is arm length. So this is a range of lengths of arms of the pupils along here. Now the first thing we need to do when we're looking at finding all of these is put it into numerical order, starting from the smallest to the largest. To work out the range, it's the difference between the largest and the smallest number. So 56, take away 43, 13. Continuing with the numbers in numerical order, we're looking for the mode. The mode is the most common value. And you can see that the number we have the most of is 47. So the mode is 47. Here we're looking for the median. The median is the value of the middle number. So here we have 11 numbers. So the middle one has to be the sixth number. So here we have the median is 49. Finally, we're looking for the mean. The mean is the total of all the numbers divided by the number of values. So we have to add up all of the numbers to get our total. We've got 539. And it's 539 divided by 11, because there's 11 numbers, and that's 49. So the mean is 49. Today what I'd like you to do is Heinemann 7, page 121. So our WALT is we're learning to understand and apply the terms range, mode, median and mean. Remember to date and write the WALT, number each question, go back to the video if you're stuck.